Welcome back to figuringstuffout.net. This is the last video where I'm assembling the engine. Putting the last of the engine tin on, getting it all tightened up, and getting the engine ready to install in the car. There's one more where I'm getting the car ready for the engine to go in it. Then we'll have the engine start, hopefully before AirVenture Oshkosh. I hope everybody can fly to AirVenture Oshkosh. It'd be lovely to see people there. I hope you enjoyed this video.
At the end of last episode,
Fan still spins, vent still goes. It's a Christmas miracle. Okay. So I need to get the front tin in and then get this stuff through there. I have to take something off at this point, I will cry. There's that hole. That does not line up at all. I could drill a hole. It might be big enough for a throttle cable. Okay, it barely goes through. I'm gonna drill that at least another size bigger. Old deburring tool. Now I have a hole that lines up with this, like that. Then I'm going to tape it in place to plug all the air holes, but then also line that up. Front tin is on. This is the fuel pipe. This is where the throttle cable goes. This is where the wiring for the reverse lights goes. This is where the exhaust from the oil cooler goes. The fan shroud is nice and solid, but everything else is just a little bit loose. So I need to get intake manifold tightened down, all the rest of the tin tightened down, the tin for the oil cooler put on, and then I think we're ready. Hi, Thrice. Hello. And then I think we're ready to put the engine in the car. I'll leave off the pulley because this almost hits the back wall of the car
during engine installation.
And so you actually don't want the pulley on there. Hi! I did bring your favorite chair though. I did. Okay, where is my swiveling 13mm ram? Scritchins. Okay, those are... This 13mm with the flexible end is so handy for this. Hi. Yeah. Beautiful. There we go. That's the doghouse of the doghouse oil cooler. It encompasses all this vent hardware. I'm standing where the car is. You have to reach over the fan shroud to get to this. That's why it's such a pain to get at with the engine in the car.
The next thing that needs to happen is this fuel hose gets attached to the stub of fuel pipe.
You know, I could cut that. Hello, Thrice. Yeah. Hi. Yes. Thrice has come in here of her own free will. Hello. Hello. Yeah, that's true. I should have done it before. I wasn't thinking about it. I'm trying to think things through one at a time. I'm going to spin the generator and you're going to watch. Yeah, see, that's good. My hospitalizations. Good enough.
To do this test, we need to short the generator field terminal to the body of the generator, and here I'm taking that wire back off.
Oh, goes back. Hello there. Welcome back. Welcome back. Yes, I'm still working. Oh, valves. That's what I was wondering. Well. No. Working oil into a little bit. All right. Valves are adjusted. The valve covers are closed. Spark plugs are out.
To spin the engine with the starter for pre-oil?
Now I need to get the engine in the car. Is there anything else to do before I put the engine in the car? I don't think there is. I hope you enjoyed that video. The engine is together. There's one more video after this where I need to get the car ready for the engine to go in. It will include things about clutch cables, Bowden tubes, and the oil system, and then the engine start will be the one after that. That'll be in a couple of weeks, hopefully before Air Avenger Oshkosh. Please click like and subscribe. I hope you stick around for the entire series. Go flying if you can, work on your own cars, stay proficient, stay knowledgeable about your vehicles, and never stop figuring stuff out.